For this lesson, you'll need your calendar math book, okay? And we're going to take out our Saxon booklet. So your Saxon booklet should look like this. Please make sure your name is at the top. We got to do this lesson here before we went on break. So you're going to turn to the next page right here. Okay, it looks like this, okay? And we watched the video the song for Add 'em Up, which is just showed you about adding one more, which I think is one of the easiest ways to do addition. So right here at the top of the page, and actually I'll bring out the number line because when you add 1, it's just the next number on the number line, right? So if you look right here, you're at 0 plus 1 is 1, and that's this first one right here. So if you go 1 plus 1, 1, and you move over 1 space, then you have a 2. And then if you start at the 2 and you move over 1 space, you have the 3. If you start at 3 and you add 1, that takes you to the 4. And if you start at the 4 and you add 1, that takes you to the 5. So, right, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy, right? Then if you do 5 plus 1, that moves you over to the 6. And then 6 plus 1 takes you to the 7. 7 plus 1 takes you to the 8. 8 plus 1 takes you to the 9. And 9 plus 1 takes you to the 10. So if you look, it's just like you're counting right here. You've just written a number line going down instead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now right here, then they have 10 plus 1. So when you do 10 plus 1, that takes you to the 11. Now the last one here is a little tricky, okay? It says 100 plus 1. We've not done that, but you have a place where you could see where that is. If you open to your 0, the hero chart, if you look at 100, you do have a 100 on there. 100, if you go to the next number, it's 101, and it's written with a 101. So that's what you're going to write right here, 101. Now, this is like your answer key. So go over here and find your 0 plus 1. So there's your 0 plus 1 right there. You know 0 plus 1 equals 1. And then you find where the number 1 is, which is right there, and draw a line to connect it to the answer. Okay, then find 1 plus 1, and that equals 2. So find your 1 plus 1 over here. There it is right there. Okay, and you're going to connect that to the 2. Do you see where the 2 is? Okay, if you start at the top and move down, it's right there. So connect that 1 plus 1 to the 2, okay? Then 2 plus 1 is 3. So find the 2 plus 1, and then over here, you're going to find the 3 right there, okay? 3 is the same as 2 plus 1, right? And then 3 plus 1 equals 4. So let's find the 3 plus 1 over here, right there at the top. 3 plus 1, and then come down here. There's your 4. So 4 is the same as 3 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. So let's come over here to find the 4 plus 1 problem. It's all the way down here. There's my 4 plus 1. I'm putting my finger there. Then I'm going to come over here and find the 5. Oh, it's right down here, okay? So 5 is the same as 4 plus 1. Okay, so I connect those together. And over here, 5 plus 1 equals 6. So I'm going to come over here and find the 5 plus 1, which is right there. And I'm going to pop down the numbers. I found a 6 right there. So 6 is the same as 5 plus 1. Then over here, 6 plus 1 equals 7. So I need to find the matching 6 plus 1 over here. It's right there. Put my finger there to mark it. And then I need to find the 7. The 7 is very close. 7 is the same as 6 plus 1. 7 plus 1 is 8 right here. So I need to find the matching 7 plus 1, which is right there. So I'll put my finger under it to hold that spot. And then I'm going to look for the number 8 right here. 8 is the same as 7 plus 1. Connect those together. Okay. 8 plus 1 equals 9. There's my 8 plus 1. So I'm going to find my 8 plus 1 over here, put my finger there to mark it, and find the 9 and connect that. 9 is the same as 8 plus 1. Okay, then 9 plus 1 equals 10. I'm on my 9 plus 1. So find my 9 plus 1 over there. There's my 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 equals 10. And if you look, the 10 is right across from it. You can connect those two together because 10 is the same as 9 plus 1. Now the next one is 10 plus 1 equals 11. So here's my 10 plus 1 right here. My number 11 is right there, so I'm going to connect those because 11 is the same as 10 plus 1. And then here we go down here. 100 plus 1 equals 101, and that's the one that they put all the way down at the bottom for you can just connect those two together. Okay, so that is our add 'em up with plus 1 numbers today. Great work on that. Give yourself an exit ticket. Well done today, boys and girls. And then this and this go back in your math folder so that you have it for the next time we do a lesson with that.